Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can protect, hide, and edit your sheets in Google Sheets. So here in my data, I've given editing access to anyone that has the link, okay, so that I can be able to demonstrate this protection effectively. So the first thing that I want to show you is how we can protect ranges. So what I will do here is to protect the range that concern this employee ID and employee name. I do not want anyone that I haven't given the access to it to be able to make any editing. So I will just select this range for employee and then come to my data, click on data, then come to this protect sheets and ranges. So if I click on this, you can see my selection has already appeared here. So what I will do is to set the permission. So if I click on set permission, you can actually show a warning when editing this range. So it will just pop up to 1. Then in my case, I want to restrict who can edit this range. So you have options, either you click on custom and you select the email address. But in my case, I want to just make it only me. So others can see and edit other parts of this very sheet but cannot edit this range. So I will click on done. So now what I want to do is to copy the link and then use incognito to check if this is working the way I want it to work. So I've copied the link now. I will come to this incognito. Check. So based on the access that I've granted, I can edit this. I edit this from full to nothing. So you can see it's working. But let me try these ones that I've protected. I want to edit these 3 and make it 30, and let's see if it works. You can see it's not allowing me to edit. You can also try this employee column, which I've also protected. If I try it, you can see that it's not also allowing me to make edits, but these other ones are allowing me, as well as this one. Okay, so another thing let's go back. Another thing that we can protect is the sheet itself. Okay, so let me clear the protection I have here. So to clear it, you just click on this delete and it goes. Now, if I go back to the incognito and try editing this time, you can see if I try editing, it's working. Okay, it's now working. So now I can come back. This time I want to protect the sheet and not just a range. So what I will do is to click on this, and then next I will click on this sheet. Then I'm protecting sheets. Okay, I'm protecting this very sheet. Let me set permissions. So I want to be the only person that can edit the entire range. That's this, to be able to edit this very tab now. Okay, nobody can be able to edit this tab apart from me. So if I go back to this incognito and I try editing this, you can see I don't have any option to do that. Okay, so let me come back to my main sheet. I can now remove this by clicking on this delete. The next is to show us how we can hide and unhide sheets. So that one, you just right click on this and then you see the option to hide your sheet. So I will click on this hide sheet. And you can see that the sheet is now hidden. So to see this sheet, I will come to view, then under hidden sheets, click on this show sheet, and the sheet reappears. Then next, now I want to show you how you can edit the sheet tabs. So if I click on this tab, I want to perform all the editing on this sheet tab. So the first thing that I want to show you is how you can copy this. So to copy this, you just right click on it, then you see option for copy. So you can either copy it to a new spreadsheet or an existing spreadsheet in your drive. So in my case, I want to copy it to a new spreadsheet. So let me just click on this, and it has been able to create one. And if I click on open, you can see it has opened the sheet where it has copied it to. Now, we also want to show you how you can duplicate. You can just right click on this, or you can also select this down arrow, then you see the option for duplicate. You click on duplicate, you can see we now have two of this. Next is for renaming. So let me show you how you can rename this. You can just click on this arrow too, and you see the option for renaming. So it was financial reports. I want to change it to financials and enter, so you can see. Then another thing that you can do is to color this tab. So let me color this red to show that it's an important tab. So I scroll to where I have change color and then select red. So you can see it is now red. And this is just what I want to show you in this video. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful and learn something from it. Please, if you have, kindly like the video, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.